The Colosseum, a testament to ancient Roman engineering and culture. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, stands as a monumental testament to the architectural prowess and cultural significance of ancient Rome. Situated in the heart of Rome, Italy, it is one of the most iconic symbols of the Roman Empire and an enduring emblem of Roman engineering and architectural innovation. Construction of the Colosseum began under the Emperor Vespasian around AD 70, 72, and was completed in AD 80 by his successor and heir, Titus. Subsequent modifications were made during the reign of Domitian. These three emperors are known collectively as the Flavian dynasty, and the amphitheater was named in their honor. The Colosseum was built on the site of Nero's Domus Aurea, a grandiose palace that was demolished to erase the memories of Nero's tyranny and to return a public space to the people. The decision to build such a massive amphitheater was both a political and social move, intended to demonstrate the power and benevolence of the Flavian emperors, and to entertain and distract the masses with games and spectacles. The Colosseum is an architectural marvel. It is elliptical in shape, with a long axis of about 189 meters, 620 feet, and a short axis of 156 meters, 510 feet, covering an area of approximately 24,000 square meters, 6 acres. The outer wall stands 48 meters, 157 feet high, and is made of travertine limestone, tuff, volcanic rock, and brick-faced concrete. The structure originally had 80 entrances, allowing efficient access for up to 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. The seating arrangements were meticulously planned to reflect the rigid social hierarchy of ancient Rome. The emperor and the Vestal virgins had the best seats in the house, while senators, noble citizens, and soldiers had reserved sections. The general populace, including women and the poor, were allocated seats higher up. The interior of the Colosseum featured a complex system of vaults and arches that supported the massive structure. The Hypogeum, a network of underground tunnels and chambers, housed gladiators, wild animals, and stage sets, which could be hoisted into the arena using an elaborate system of elevators and pulleys. The Colosseum was primarily used for gladiatorial contests, which were extremely popular in ancient Rome. These brutal spectacles pitted gladiators against each other or against wild animals in fights to the death. The games were a demonstration of Roman martial ethics and were used to commemorate military victories and honor the gods. In addition to gladiatorial games, the Colosseum hosted a variety of other events, including animal hunts, venationes, public executions, and reenactments of famous battles. One of the most elaborate spectacles involved the staging of mock naval battles, naumachii, for which the arena could be flooded with water. The Colosseum was more than just an entertainment venue. It was a reflection of Roman society and its values. The games served multiple functions. They were a tool for political propaganda, a demonstration of the emperor's generosity and power, and a means of social control. The spectacles were also deeply intertwined with Roman religious practices, often held in conjunction with significant religious festivals. The Colosseum's influence extended beyond its immediate function. It inspired subsequent generations of architects and engineers and served as a model for the construction of amphitheaters throughout the Roman Empire. Its design principles can be seen in modern sports stadiums and large public venues. The Colosseum's decline began in the medieval period. By the 6th century, the massive structure had fallen into disuse, and its materials were repurposed for other construction projects. Earthquakes in 847 and 1231 caused significant damage, and over time, the Colosseum was transformed into a quarry for building materials, a fortress, a Christian shrine, and even housing for a religious order. Despite this decline, the Colosseum has remained a potent symbol of Rome and its enduring legacy. It has inspired countless artists, writers, and thinkers from the Renaissance to the present day. The structure is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Today, the Colosseum is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world, drawing millions of visitors each year. It stands as a testament to the grandeur and complexity of Roman civilization, a reminder of the brutality and sophistication of ancient Rome. Efforts to preserve and restore the Colosseum have been ongoing since the 18th century. Modern conservation techniques focus on stabilizing the structure, mitigating the effects of pollution, and ensuring that the Colosseum remains accessible to future generations. These efforts are critical in maintaining the integrity of this ancient monument and allowing it to continue to tell the story of Rome's glory. The Colosseum is a monumental symbol of Roman engineering and cultural significance. Its construction, use, and legacy offer profound insights into the Roman Empire and its values. As a site of historical importance and architectural brilliance, it continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world.